Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Whether you're in medicine, from specialty to super specialty, allied sciences, or simply curious, this focus content it delivers the key points you need to know. Receptor binding, we are looking at part 3. So far we have discussed the agonist, antagonist, partial agonist, inverse agonist, allosteric modulators, and competitive agonist. Now we'll be discussing the non-competitive antagonist. So non-competitive antagonist is basically... In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and grow daily. Other than the agonist binding site. So other than agonist binding site. So it prevents the receptor activation. So preventing receptor activation. So what are the examples of this? Examples of non-competitive antagonist is phenoxybenzamine. So there is phenoxybenzamine, which irreversibly it blocks the alpha adrenergic receptors. So phenoxybenzamine irreversibly blocks the alpha adrenergic receptors. Then we move on to the orthosteric binding. Orthosteric binding is the agonist or the antagonist. It binds to the active site of the receptor. So we can call it the agonist or the antagonist. So what it does is it binds to the active site of the receptor. So what are the examples of this? Example is that the most traditional drugs. So we are talking at traditional drugs. So these traditional drugs it binds orthosterically. So orthosterically to the receptors. Next we look at allosteric binding. So in terms of allosteric binding, the modulator it binds to the site distinct. So modulator it binds to the site which is distinct from the active site. So modulator binds to the site which is distinct from the active site of the receptor and affecting the receptor activity. So what are the examples? Example is there is benzodiazepine. So benzodiazepine it binds allosterically. This is to the GABA receptors. Thanks for watching. So in case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to learn and grow daily. And this is a special thank you note to all the subscribers of this channel. And we have a 30+ playlist subject wise and it is in the description.